All right, welcome to week 4 of the Overdrive Racing League. Today, it's gonna be a good one. I am here with my competitor today, Caleb Coscove. We've been racing each other now for years, and today we're gonna be competing against each other during the league. So it's gonna be some exciting stuff, but nothing you guys don't already know already. So let's go ahead and put the helmet on and get to qualifying. Caleb, what do you have to say about that?
Yes.
Yes. All right, now, Alex, where were you last week?
Florida.
You missed quite the action here. We could have used your officiating skills.
Oh, I'm well aware. I've thought about it a lot, and I decided I'm never leaving ever again.
He's living here. He's got a tent in the basement, and he's going to be watching all of these racers to make sure they don't make any mistakes, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna get clothespins to keep my eyes open.
That's Alex, everybody. Anything to say for the fans watching at home?
Follow John Racer on Instagram and TikTok, and buy some dude wipes.
Go to here first. Buy some Dude Wipes. Dude Wipes doesn't sponsor me anymore, but don't tell him that.
Quali 1. Good luck, sir. Team 18. All right, let's go ahead and do a little bit of an intro here. Week 4 of the Overdrive Racing League. Quali, biggest competition, points leader, Caleb Coscove. I unfortunately pulled cart 23, which has been notoriously one of the worst carts on the grid. So I will be lucky to pull a good time here. I just have to lock in. And this is gonna be a silent quali for me. Unless my cart really sucks, which is a high chance it does. In which case you'll hear from me, but we'll try and lock in for this one. See how it does. My bad. My bad, my bad. You know what? 23 feels okay. Not gonna jinx it now though. Should hit that apex a little later. This car feels smooth. Woo! That was not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, the opening laps I was bumping around the sweeper. And I'm like, oh god, that's not good. But once the tires warmed up a little bit, it was pretty smooth.
I kept dropping at the start. I'm like,
Well, I let you pass right at the beginning. I'm like, this will probably work out in my favor because I was keeping up with you for the first couple laps, but then you drove away. No, after you, sir. No, I'll go. No, you can sure. All right, we'll take that. We'll take that. P2 to Caleb. That's kind of what I was looking for tonight. Happy the 23 cart's fixed, and we'll chill with that.
can I go for a little run over of the sheet?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll rock with that.
Yeah, now I'm starting to think I was just overdriving the cart 2 weeks ago into the corners, and that's why it was jumping. But it feels so much better now, so happy with that. 23 felt so much better.
Yeah, it looked like it was. It looked like
It's fixed, yeah. So happy with that. Was very worried about 23 at the beginning, but brought it back. I'm happy with that. So starting P2 against Caleb, P1 for the second race, and give Caleb a battle for the ages. So let's go for it.
Good luck, sir.
There you go.
I'm ready to go. Numero dos. All right. Race number 1, starting P2. Behind, I believe, our current points leader. I got 25. This is the cart from the last race that finished first, so should have some good pace, but we won't know until we get out on the track. I'm excited though. I always love racing Caleb, should be a good one. And I think me not talking in the last qualifying genuinely helped me, so like maybe I'm slowing myself down with this content. Do you guys like this content? Comment down below, please. I need to know. My heart rate has definitely gone down. I drank an entire Celsius before coming here. And to be fair, I've been awake since 3 a.m. because I traveled back from California today just to make this race. That's why I traveled so early. So glad everything worked out, but it's crazy to think I was looking at a beach 24 hours ago. And now I'm here at Overdrive Raceway doing some racing. Psych. All right, should be good. Good luck, sir. I'm coming for him.
Get 5 big booms.
Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's lock in and catch him. 40 feels all right. There's contact in the back of the field. Damn, dude, Caleb's fast. Oof, that's not good. Gotta slow down more so I don't bounce. That's not good, man. I don't like that bouncing. I might be going crazy, but I think these pedals might be sliding up too. Can't get in my head, gotta focus. See, like, I don't know what to fix for that, man. Caleb's running 18.2s, like, goddamn, bruh. Cruz is catching up. This kart is slowing down. Missed that turn. All right, last lap. Let's make it count. Well, tried my best, but Caleb is just too fast, man. We'll take it. Couldn't do much. 5 big booms for 39. 29 started bouncing. Cruz caught up to me there. Yeah, I didn't really like this kart, but maybe I was driving it wrong. It was just hard to put the power down coming out of the turns for this kart. You just have to keep it so straight and so precise. Yeah.
Nice race, guys.
I hear something hitting the side of the cart like something's broken. That ain't good. Oh well. We'll take the P2 for the race and start on the pole for the next one.
Shout out Cruz too. New driver.
He's killing it.
I said you could do in that case.
Yeah, and then the kart didn't feel the best either, but yeah, an 18.2, average 18.3, can't beat that. Satisfied with that. And we got one more race to go. Hopefully it'll be a fast one. And we will try and keep Caleb behind us.
And he just ran an 18.2, which is probably one of the fastest laps we've seen in this league in its entirety. So props to Caleb, fast dude, miles ahead of the competition. And yeah, my car just fell off there at the end. Nothing I can do about that, but bring it back. Dub for Caleb, Team 18. That kart got 5 big booms. Caleb, you just ran the fastest lap of the entire league. How are you feeling?
Very good, very good. Yeah, that kart felt really good. It was good to, it took a second to learn, but once you learned it, oh, it was butter smooth.
Yeah, so we're going to be going to the other row of karts now for the next race. And we've got some entertaining ones to watch before that. So I'm excited, and we'll be ending this night off with a bang. Or sorry, should I say a boom?
Boom! All right, race 2, starting P1. I got 34. Not exactly sure. I think this is a decent kart to the front. But here's the thing. My Celsius is wearing off. And now I'm really tired. But I can't tell anyone that. That's top secret information. No one can know. Not even Alex.
Talking to me?
No? All right, so I'm going to give everything this race. Hold the defensive line, keep Caleb behind, hopefully pull away, but it's not going to be easy. Maybe I'll try and sandbag Caleb a little bit. I don't know, hard to say, but I just want to be able to have some good pace here. So that's the goal. Give all my energy here, because once I'm done with this, then I'm done. My travel is done. I can just relax, and it'll be great. So I'm going to give it everything. Go super hard. Use those muscles. All right, let's get it. Oh, this thing's hard to turn. All right, I really have to work for this, I think. It's the way I want to do it.
I made Kyle straighten out.
Oh, that's all good.
Perfect. You done this before?
A couple times. Gonna focus on my race hard. This is what I've come to do. I've come to win. We'll keep Caleb behind, and I'm sure he'll race me clean, so should be good. Okay, gotta give everything. No holding back. Race as hard as I can, and hopefully I'll walk home victorious.
Off the pedals. Let's go.
A little understeer, it's fine though. Dude, this thing, I can't turn super sharp. Oh my God, I'm not gonna give him the inside. If I turn too much, it understeers. No bueno. Oh my God. Woo! What the hell? He sent it. I did not think he was gonna do that. What the frick? Oh my God, I just can't turn super sharp. And he's on my bumper every time. No bueno. Oh, there it is. Damn it, dude. He gave it everything. Damn it, man. Okay, why is my kart handling better now? What the hell? Oh, I could have held him off for like another lap or two. Damn it, man. Oh, I gave it everything. I really did. Oh man, I was breathing so heavy. This kart doesn't turn for shit.
I'm sorry I bumped you.
No, you're good. You were on my bumper literally every lap.
So my plan was let us pull away, and I was like, I'm just gonna go for it.
Dude, I couldn't pull away. You saw I was bouncing places you should not bounce.
I would bounce you, saw myself, like when I tried to go for that move, you were like half a track ahead of me. And then this corner, you were bouncing, and then that corner, I was right back on you again.
Yeah, and then as soon as you passed me, my kart stopped bouncing. I don't know what the hell that's about, but dude, I'm so tired, man. That was fun, good stuff. That was a good race.
Well, I gave it everything. That's second on the night. I tried. I'm so tired, dude. So I'm not one for excuses, but I have been awake since 3 a.m. Just throwing it out there.
Good try.
Dude,
You had him for a while.
Oh, that cart did not like me, but I'm not gonna blame it on the cart. I gave it all I could. I was literally off the brake half of that last apex so I could just hug the inside, but he just got there eventually. His bumps were too good. All I gotta do is fight hard, come back stronger next week. So signing off now. Props to Caleb, and I tried. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna relax, and we're gonna have a good rest of the evening. So shout out Caleb, teammate, took the win, and now he's in the championship lead. So can't be mad at that, and nothing else to do but go on to next week. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.